Hello everyone and welcome to GingerCake XL. I'm GingerCake and as promised I'm playing Nightmare House 2. I'm really pumped to play this game. I'm in my friend's house, so you can notice the background is different. Alright, let's begin. I suppose I'm going to play the prologue. Wherever. Hen Mazolski presents. Oh fuck, the timing. Almost forgetting the timing. Wait. What the fuck? Alright. Nightmare House, the prologue. Alright. Can I run? I suppose you got to go in there. I don't even know. Do I have anything in there? Oh. Ew. Jesus. Alright. Nope. I hope you can pick up. Oh yeah! Destroy everything! Right. If this Nightmare House 2, I suppose we need to go in his house. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Whatever. Follow the period, they said. It will be fun, they said. Come on. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa! Oh, there's a back door. There. Oh, yeah. Oh yes, I have a flashlight. Woo! Where? Alright. Hey, stop! What? Wait. What the fuck? What the fuck? No. No! Yes! I made it. What does that sound? Where does that sound? Alright. Ew. First that guy. Wait. First that guy I seen. Ooh. Eh. You're all burned and stuff. Ooh. Pistol. Actually I prefer. Alright. The water. Just make me remember of water monsters in Amnesia. Oh! Oh, I forgot about that. It's the same. Ah, I'm so stupid. Alright. Come on. I hope it doesn't fall. Maybe? Alright. Yes. No. Come on. Wait, really? Oh, yes. Oh, I can't believe you were pooping and someone killed you. I mean, really? The guy that killed them was a badass. What? Oh, fuck you! No, 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 no! You're supposed to be dead. What the fuck? Kill him! Die already! Ah, what the fuck do you? Oh, it's an ad grab. Oh my god. Alright. I just backed off a little bit. Fuck. Only Jesus, you were really pooping. I'm so sorry, man. Do you can see his shit right now? Alright. Why did you didn't open the first time that I wanted you to open? What? Alright. Maybe. Oh, come on, stop with that. Oh. I just picked up something that I didn't realize that I could pick up. What? What? No. let me just check up this. No, I'm just spinning bullets for nothing. Alright. Maybe I can break up this. No, you can't. If you go, it's already a breakup. Alright. Follow the period again. They said it will be. No, no, where? Let me just close the door. Close the door. Alright. I feel a lot safer right now. Alright. No, fuck. No. Grudge. I hate those little fuckers. Right. Stay already. Alright. Reload. Reload. Reload! Oh, nice TV. For fuck's sake! I saw someone there. Fucking saw someone here. Maybe I'm hallucinating. I'll have an heart attack these days. Why does this door just opened? I don't trust this. Alright, whatever. No, I want to open this. Oh, it's locked. So I suppose you need to fall down here. Stop breaking things, for fuck's sake! No, now I suppose you need to go there? Alright. What? I don't trust you. Fucking this. Just die already. Oh fuck. Just get the fuck out. You and your little fucking doll here, you know. I don't like this doll. Fuck you. Hey, little sister. I'm going to fuck your doll. Alright. Jesus. I'm not pumped to play this game right now. No, 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 no. Die already. 3. Alright. Fuck you. You are disgusting. I just knew that was going to happen. Oh. What? Why was that for? You fucking bitch. Oh, a revolver. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. I knew it. I knew it. Right. Nope. Nope. Maybe. Come on. Just open already. Where? Where? For fuck's sake, stop it, that shit! No, you can't open the door. I knew it. Fuck it. Fuck this. Boom! Kaboom! Kaboom! Fuck you, white crabs. All of you are fucking this. Oh, is this a shotgun? Oh yeah! Look at this. Fuck you! Holy shit! What the fuck is this? Nope, nope, nope. Open the freaking door. Come on. Alright. Hello. Come on. Let it come. Let it come. What the fuck is right? Let it come. Max Payne right now. Ah. Now it's your turn. Kill. Little fucking. Oh shit. Come on. Bro. Come on. Bro. No. Come on. No. Man to man fight, you fucking bitch. Learn how to use your fists, you fucking pussy. Come on, you little bitch. Don't be afraid of me. Come on, bitch. Learn how to fight. Haha, yeah, whatever. Oh, fuck you. I don't even care about you anymore. Alright. Fuck! Come on. Just reload already. Fuck you. I hate spiders. I fucking hate spiders. I'm scared, Mom. I need you right now. Jesus. This is the fucking first time that I'm asking for my mom. Holy fuck. This is going to blow up. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Oh! That was a freaking headshot. Follow the period, they said again. But I'm not following the period again. Boom! Boom! Headshot. Is there anyone else? Fuck you. I hate head crabs. Because they have a gigantic mouth and they could put 100 dicks in there. Whatever. I didn't supposed to need it. A key is required. Right. Maybe. This room. No. Come on, you fucking bitch. Fucking bitch! Oh, headshot! Headshot! What the fuck is this shining? Oh, it's a key. Oh. Oh, you need to. Nope, come on. Ah! What the fuck? The fuck? No. No, fuck you. Why are you launching like babies and stuff? Nope! I see you moving, bitch. Fucking stop moving! Yeah. Nobody fucks with me now. Oh fuck, where's the key? Oh shit. Where's the key? Where's the key? No! I mean, really? No, where the fuck is the key? I fucking need to shoot everybody to locate the fuck. Whoa. Where? Oh, there you are. There you are, key. Alright. That's cool, actually. You actually need to pick up this shit. What? Come on, no, please, no one fucking shows up. No one fucking shows up! Alright. Oh, fuck it. I freaking... Stop screaming, bitch. Stop screaming. I hate the sound. What? Fuck you! Is there anyone else? If there's a fucking anyone else, just fucking shows up. Don't be a fucking pussy. Fight me like a fucking man. Oh, for fuck's sake, F-Drive. I don't deserve this. I'm your friend. No, I'm not, but whatever. Jesus, how many minutes? Whatever, I'll finish this episode here, guys. No, I'll not finish this episode here. This will be a fucking longer episode. I'm going to finish this shit. I'm not getting out without finish this shit. Right. I suppose I'm not falling there. Alright. It's a lot better. Actually, I feel like we're sitting now. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh! Jesus! Fuck you, you scared the shit out of me. Alright, just jump already. Alright. Oh, I see the ending. Alright. I'm going to finish this. I don't care about anything. I don't freaking care about anything else. I'm going to finish this shit right here. I don't even care. I don't even care. Right. Someone is going to fall down this shit. I know it. And probably it's going to appear again. Right? Come on, for fuck's sake. Share. Cooperate, thank you. Please. Yeah, you're showing up. Yeah, I knew it. No! Come on. What? Fuck you! Fuck! What? For fuck's sake, really? I mean, really? Come on. We can do this. We can fucking do this. Come on. Alright. Break this shit. Climb up this shit. The fucking girl will appear. That's for you, girl. Come on, just jump already. Come on. Fuck you. Come on. Fucking bitch. Come on. Yeah, fall down, you bitch. I don't even care about you anymore, and I don't like this corridor. Let me see if there's anything else that I can use it. No. I'm going with shotgun. I don't even care. I don't fucking care. Come on. Where? Fuck it. I will fucking run away of this house, for fuck's sake. Jesus, where? No one fucking enter in this house. Why the fuck would someone enter in this fucking house? I don't care. Fuck you! Fuck you! No! 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 Fuck you! So many of them! For fuck's sake! I'm playing this with. No. Fuck you! Come on! Come on! You bitch! No. Fuck you! Fuck you! And headshot and a fucking no! Come on! Come on! Come on! Not really. No. No. I'm serious. No, I'm fucking serious. Fucking serious. Alright? Stop with that shit. I'm a little shaking, guys. Look at this. Fuck. I don't have friends. Alright. Oh no, for fuck's sake. I hate this girl. No. No. Second fucking time that this is happening to me. Fuck. Oh fuck, so many of them. Why are there so many of them? Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck, I missed. Why is this? Fucking monster, nope. Nope, nope, don't jump. Don't you even fucking dare jump. Die already. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Don't fucking run away from me. Fucking, oh, sorry. Fucking head grab. Where? I'm listening to you! Boom! Boom! Alright. Jesus. 16. What? For fuck's sake! Fucking girl! Jesus! Fuck you! No one's behind me. Alright. Oh fucking... I don't need to fear anything. Fuck you at crab. Fuck you at crab again. You are alive. Yes, you are alive. Fuck you again. And why are those fucking little fuckers jumping? I hate to say fuck, but fuck. How many? Jesus Christ. Come on, come on. I'm not afraid of you anymore. Fuck you. Like fucking bullets in your head, huh? I'm pissed out right now. I'm pissed out right now. I'm fucking pissed right now, bro. I don't even know what the fuck I'm Alright. Whatever. Fuck you, bro. And you? Fuck you. Fuck you, bro. Oh. Do you like my skills? Do you like my skills, bro? I fucking like my skills. Fucking, where the fuck am I else? No, come on, stop it, stop it, stop it. No. Fuck you. Alright. How many of them are? Holy shit. Boom! Oh no. Fuck you. Alright. No, I'm getting out of here. I don't fucking care about you. Fuck, I'm getting out of here. I don't care. I don't fucking care. Alright. There's my car. I'm getting fucking out of here! No! Fuck you! For fuck's sake. No. I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out of here. That didn't scare me. For fuck's sake. Oh my god. I'll never touch this game again. I'll never fucking touch this game again. I don't care about your email. No, I'm not continuing this shit. This is over. No. It's over. I can't do anything. It's fucking over. I mean it. It's fucking over. Jesus Christ. My goodness. This is just a fucking prologue. Imagine the fucking game. Holy crap.
Same as it always was.
I don't care. It's over. What the fuck have I done? Alright. Alright. I think I've done. Alright. I'll end this episode here, guys. I can carry on. Really. Jesus. I don't even know what to say. I think I need to change my pants now. Oh my god. Jesus. This game. This is a fucking 20 minutes video, but I think it's worth your time. It's fucking worth your time. Jesus. I don't have any friends now. I don't have any friends. Really. They only made me play. They only make me play. It's Marvin. Now it's the other friend that made me play the Nightmare House too. Oh my god. I don't even know. Alright. Like, if you like the video. Favorite it. Well, I think this video worth a favorite. Really, gigs. I don't even know what to say. I'm shocking. I'm shocked. Wait, sorry. I'm shocked. Really. And if you had something to comment, games that I should play or Marvin should play or we should play, just tell us. Don't be afraid to comment. I read every single comments that you post. Probably I answered all of them. And yeah, and subscribe to join the Geek Army. We are the best. 54 subscribers, I'm so happy. Alright, and Marvin too. Marvin is too. Alright, I'll end it here and may the Geek Force be with you. And if you want me to continue playing Nightmare House 2, I don't freaking want to, but if you want to, whatever. Whatever. The next episode will be the house 2 that I talked to you about in the next in the previous video. It was a video. It was an amnesia video. The house 2 game is a Flash game that I have talked to you about it, guys. It's a point and click game. So yeah, stay tuned and don't miss the fucking next episode, right? See you later, guys. Thanks for watching, and may the geeks first be with you. Bye.